kuhle malu.
Hawu, mtshana.
Selisivakatshela.
Sithe silivakatshela mtshana lapha eish.
Kuhle.
Kade yacinana mtshana.
Yeah.
Lifika nini?
Sengilesikhathi ngiyaqala isikhathi sesayikhaya ngale lo malikazi. Nje phela imbele mama.
Khonapha yikho kunletha khona lapha nje mbekwa yileyo nto.
So ngisafika sayikhaya lapha sathola lo muzi kamdala. Hayi umuzi usulunqwa. Umuzi akusela lutho sasesibuya ke savakashela umuzi wami la. So sizakuyela ekhaya sazama ukuthi ngivuse umuzi. Ngomdala lapha lele khona hayi kade kathandi.
Hayi ukuvele unyethemba lichiyeli bamba bambile lo malikazana la wachiza usechayila inenje lapha emasimini.
Yeah siklinile sokubonakala khona kodwa sokufuna ukwakhiwa.
Hayi vele khona yikho kuhle kakhulu lo malikazana vele ahlasuke khona le goli
ahlakuzwa
umuzi uyakhiwa phela umuzi
mfazi umuzi
so maye ngekho lapha umuzi uzaba umuzi bani
mama love ukhona nje le
ukhona la lapha
yehleli imali
kuhle ke
kuhle
manje.
Yes baby.
Yeah now.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. What's up baby?
Yes my love. Malume.
Mtshana.
Nguyu unkosikazi wami lo Mambala. Ngabakompala.
Mambala.
Yes.
Empala.
Yeah. My love.
Yes.
Malume wami lo.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. You say this what?
Malume, my uncle. Uzala lo mama.
Okay. I see.
Aye.
It takes after that silly aunt of yours, okay?
Yeah. Malukazi hayi siyajabula mtshana. Ukuthi hayi umuzi usuza kuvuthwa. Njengoba nekhona kodwa asazi soyicela ivuthiwe isinto sitsho njalo ngoba yesh.
Yena umuntu okulekileyo. Umuntu okulekileyo malume ukuthi phela nqani ngakamjayela hayi. Yena so umuntu.
Baby, why does he look so old?
Isinto sakithi mani mtshana.
He looks so old. What's wrong with him? Even look at this. Why is he like this? Did he take a bath?
Hayi okay malume azwisanga malume.
Uthi uthani mtshana?
Uthi wayini ngazivakatshelanga sisekhaya.
Hayi ukuthalisa nje la ngabe vele nje la ngangizwile ngizakhe ngeqe nje masinya ngizofika khona ngapha ekhaya. Engabe khona kusola yini malukazana?
Hayi usola kokani ukuthi anti nxa efike ekhaya kumele limngenise ekhaya. Yikho efaka
Does he have a wife?
Yeah.
Someone to watch for his clothes.
Uthi umalumekazi walimchile wethanda umbona.
Umalumekazi ukuthi ubhizi manje emasimini anti uyawazi ukuthi umalukazana njengoba la ubuyile nje so. Uzazi ngizashone khona emasimini nje ngaye nje ngishile nje lima khona le masimini so ngasithi ngcono uqale kubuye mina uqala.
Uthi wife
is there. So why is he so unkempt like this? Look at him. Look at the shoes. He's dirty.
Alright.
Something is definitely wrong with him, right? I don't like him.
Alright, uyakhuluma uthi uzalicheckela izicathulo isize.
Malukazi sengingabonga kakhulu malukazana hesh.
Uthi uyatsho sithando sami la ukwapha uthi angabonga. But uthi uzazama ukuthi ukwenza. Please.
Ukwenzela ukuthi umalukazana phela la yangazakhubeka ukuthi ihloko zakho sezimiyangisa phela mtshana. Ngabonga kakhulu manje ngandingela ezintsha nje ukuthi la msenza caca phakathi kwabantu phela.
Kwabantu kodwa linjani izwi khona ngale?
Ayizuliyana ubona nje umalumekazi wakho ngimshile khona le nje. Phakathi kwamasimu. Imfula vele imfula isachacha.
Inhlanzi ziyatholakala yini?
Inhlanzi vele ngalesi sikhathi
fish.
A fish.
Yeah, uyazithola inhlanzi too much.
Izatholakala ukuthi nje kathesa amanzi adongekile nje wona izulu lisina so umfula vele ubuya amanzi ebomvu kodwa ungafaka umambule. Abafana bafaka umambule ziyakhona.
What is he saying? They've got maids and everyone to clean their households.
Ngapendlini.
For fishing.
Hayi inhlanzi bazithatha emanzini edamu.
Siyathiya malukazana siyathiya lapha siyaphosela noma insipho.
I don't like this man. I'm not comfortable sitting here with him. He doesn't smell good, this one.
Alright.
I don't like him.
Uthani mtshana?
Uthi khona hayi inhlanzi nxa liyabe lizithole kunye liyabe communicate la.
Oh,
Uyazithanda inhlanzi.
Hayi.
Omadeva libathole.
Umadeva ayibo ke abaningi ngoba vele yiba ngalesi sikhathi kulodaka so yibo bavele bebuya lamanzi bevela phezulu khona amanzi vela ahlaqale ngabo bese babamba.
Yes, it's promising my love. It's going to take 3-4 times. But
Okay, that's better.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Hey kodwa mchana. Sazokhuluma sisodwa mani yeshi. Kulezi indaba ezithanda ukuthi umalume lo mchana abazikhulumele
sikhulume yena.
Ukwenzela ukuthi
awukwakha uthembisile uyabuza lapha ekhaya ukuthi sizakwakha istaff. Yamtshela ukuthi
sizakwakha mission house. Yebo kodwa uzamtshela phela ukuthi la angathi yaqhuma phela izipho phela ngoba lapha kuyageja amagodi lapha mase sigebhe.
What is he saying this one? What is he saying?
Hayi lokuzeni malume ube sithi
What is he saying?
Uyabuza ukuthi khona
Put your dog on the leash. I don't like it. Do you understand? He talks too much. Who should cut their nails? Should I cut my nails?
No.
For what? For this one? This smelly rubbish.
Hayi malukazana besithola ukuthi phela lapha nanti insimini lapha nakule funa.
Is he talking to me?
Is
he talking to me?
No, not to you.
I don't talk to people like this. These things did he even brush his teeth before coming here?
Besithi mchana lapha njengoba nezigodo lezana zafuna ukugejela phela umalukazana phela maye sekhona ikade ngicela ukuthi maye ngabe engaqhuma phela kuzinzipho izipho lapha ngoba maye sekhanya sependa penda uyabe.
No, what are you talking about? Do you know me? Do you know who I am?
No.
Do you know me? Do you know me properly? No, do you know me properly?
No.
What are you saying?
No,
what are you saying? Does this man know me properly?
No.
Does he know me?
No.
Do you even know me? Are you crazy? Is he crazy this one?
No.
No, I'll teach him a lesson. I will teach him a lesson. I can't be smelly like this.
No.
Hayi
malume, please.
No, I don't like him.
Mina isintu sakithi mase uvele sisilandela asivume akubona ukuthi wenze njani ngomalukazana. Ngoba umalukazana lo ngathi uzokulethela inkinga umuzi wakho awulamuzi la.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Does he know me? Does he know me?
Malume phumani.
Does he know me? No, he better go somewhere. Do you know me very well? I'll kill this one.
Please.
I'm being smelly like that.
Malume.
What is he?
Please,
Who does he think he is? I don't like him. I told you I don't like him.
Please,
He talks nonsense.
Yes, I know.
It doesn't make sense. Whenever he talks rubbish,
But
talks nonsense.
My uncle, please.
No, I don't like him. I told you I don't like him. Let me find my own uncle. Let me bring my own uncle here. I don't like him.
Okay, please. I know. I understand now. Take it easy.
No, I can't take it easy. He wants to remove the devil in me. All the time. This is what your relatives do to me. I hate them. You and I are good together.
Okay, I know.
I don't like him at all.
Okay, please.
Talk to him. Yes. Talk sense to his thick skull of his.
Okay.
Talk sense. I don't like him.
Okay.
Who does he think he is to talk to me like that?